Okay, so apparently this model comes in a 40 pin or mini 30 pin, which looks like a 40 pin. So it's going to be a bummer. So what I'm going to do is disconnect the battery and get into this laptop one more time. Okay, this time we're going to actually open up the screen. Okay, that's been disconnected. For this model, I am going to work on it carefully. What I mean by that is I'm going to remove the screen from its body. I'm going to work on it that way. No point in risking any damages. Okay, that comes out that way. Okay, we'll leave. Oh no, we need to remove that. Okay. 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 Okay, so let's do this. Let's separate the. Let's open up the assembly. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Put these guys back so we don't lose anything. I mean, we should be able to tell from here, right? How many pins? It's a 40 pin. We don't need to. I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay. Yo, ice cream. Let me have a look. Okay, so after a nice ice cream, we can definitely confirm it is a 40 pin. So Our supplier has it in stock, which is great. We'll do another video on installation if the client wants to go ahead. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.